Did you know that your pet cat might be more of a thief than a cuddly companion? Studies have shown that cats are natural kleptomaniacs. They often steal shiny or interesting objects, like jewelry, small toys, or even socks, just for fun. Some cats bring their treasures back to their owners, proudly displaying their haul like they're bringing home dinner. In fact, some pet owners have reported their cats stealing items from neighbors' yards. It's a quirky behavior that stems from their instincts as hunters. They're just playing with their prey. So if your cat brings you a strange object, just know they're trying to share their adventurous spirit. Have you ever caught your cat stealing? Share your stories in the comments.